Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody around the world who's attending the CVE Services 2.1 workshop. The workshop is intended to cover sort of where the program is in terms of its federated governance and operations strategy. Then we will introduce the new automated services to the community in substantial detail so that people can become more familiar with how to engage the services. And those services include the record submission and upload service, a new version of the ID reservation service, and really importantly, the new CVE program JSON 5.0 data format. We'll cover how to get a services account. We will also cover the 3 available clients you can use to engage the services, and we'll do a walkthrough of those. And then, of course, we'll conclude the session. We want this to be a session that's as interactive as possible. So the way that we're going to run it is for each presentation, the audience will be muted. And then at the end of the presentation, we can begin questions and answers related to the presentation that the audience has just heard. And there's 2 ways we can get those questions during the session. You can ask the question in chat, and we will kind of rack and stack those as we go, depending on how many of them we have. Or if you don't have access to chat, you can use the raise your hand feature, which you can find in the reactions menu up at the reactions menu within Teams. We will do our best to answer every question we can during the session. However, if we don't have time to get to the question because we have too many of them, we're going to take the questions and add them to our frequently asked questions list, and that will be distributed after the session, at some point within a reasonable period of time. We're also recording this session right now, so just so everybody's aware of that. And we're going to, after the session, we're going to break the session up into its individual segments, and we're going to post those on the YouTube channel, or the program's YouTube channel, so that people can go back and listen to parts or all of the workshop as they see fit. And if anybody has any additional suggestions for us for how we can communicate this information better, we're all ears. So just let us know what you think. And with that said, I again appreciate everybody's time. I know how busy everybody is. We can move right to the first presentation.